I'm going to be honest with you. I use AI every single day, almost all day in my design business, and I am barely scratching the surface. And I know that. I know that I am barely even using it to its fullest potential, and I am constantly using it. I am looking for all the latest and greatest tools for interior design so that I can streamline my process, give my clients a better experience, add more revenue to my business, and then just like work smarter. I just want things to be more efficient and to sound more professional. I can't write. Like, I don't know grammar well. If that doesn't prove it for you, I don't know what does. But like, that's not my thing. I can design stuff. And sometimes I just need help getting my ideas out of my mind and then putting them in a text format and then having AI generated images come back. That helps me to convey the ideas that I have as a designer to my client that cannot do that either. Like, I got them. They don't have those types of ideas. That's why they hired me. Now I need to figure out how can I quickly, because time is money, get those out of here, put them over there, and then make everything come together in the design phase. There are so many possibilities out there. We are in the infancy, the baby stage of AI. This stuff's about to take off. Watch AI for interiordesigners.com and take some classes with me, and let's learn some cool stuff.